So to perform the knitted cast on, you're going to start with a slip knot on your left hand needle. You're going to put your right hand needle as if to knit, so place it right in. You're going to do an actual knit stitch, so bring it through. Then you're going to pull it out a little bit and place it on your needle, on your left hand needle. And that's going to create your second cast on stitch. Then you're going to take your needle back into that stitch you just placed on and knit another stitch. Pull it out, place it on your needle. You're going to continue on until you get the amount of cast on stitches that your pattern calls for. This is nice. You don't have to guesstimate your tail beforehand. It does give your edge kind of an interesting side braid almost. It's kind of coming out the side instead of the bottom. That is your knitted cast on super fast stitch refresher tutorial, and I'm Deja with knit and crochet ever after.com, and thank you for watching.